Hi, Papercrafting friends. My name is Dawn Bourgette, and I am the proud founder and owner of Dawn's Creative Chalet and a member of the awesome Creative Chalet Stampers. And I thought I would go ahead and stop by just for a couple minutes to talk to you guys about some amazing promotions that are going on during October 2024 with Stampin' Up! So first of all, we have our kits collection. These kits are on sale right now for up to 30% off. There's a little bit of a variety of everything for everybody, whether you want card making, scrapbooking, or home decor. So check those out at my online store, and I'll provide the link above or below, depending on if you're watching this on Facebook or if you're going ahead and watching it on YouTube. Also right now, we have what we call the Starter Kit Special. I like to call it personally the ultimate bundle because that's exactly what it is. So right now, I would like to offer you to be a part of the Chalet Stampers. What does that mean? It means just purchasing a kit, just like any other kit. But it's an amazing deal. And then once you do purchase this kit, you'll continue to get a 20% discount on your items. You can kind of test drive being a demonstrator right on through the end of March of 2025. That's pretty awesome. You get the same discount and also the same perks that I do. So let's talk about that. First of all, you're going to choose $155 of product for $99. Yeah, seriously, right? I know, it's a good deal. And then also you're going to get free shipping, which if you're in Michigan, where I'm at, it's about a $17-ish savings. But just remember, you don't need to be in Michigan to be on my team. I'm a national team. I have gals anywhere from California over to the East Coast, Michigan, down to Florida. Let's see here, what else? So along with the $155 of product for $99, the free shipping, you're also going to receive a free paper pumpkin kit in your kit, which is a $25 value. And then on top of that, they're giving you some catalogs. So in case you would like to do as a part-time gig or something like that, you can show your friends the catalogs and see what Stampin' Up! Has to offer. However, I want to stress, this is not required by any means. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you would just rather be a savvy shopper, then yes, let's do that, right? I don't know why anybody would want to pay full price when you can get a discount on all your products with a minimum of a 20% discount. The really cool thing is you can put anything into your kit, excluding paper pumpkin. I think that's the only thing you can't. So you can choose things from our annual catalog, our mini catalog, my online store, the clearance rack, also our brand new scrapbooking product. And right now, as a demonstrator, we're doing what we call a pre-order. Every time new products come out, demonstrators get a chance to go ahead and purchase product a month ahead before customers. So you're also able to add those into your kit right now. There's some new holiday items. There's something that's kind of utterly adorable. There's a little hint. But if you'd like to have help with those products, make sure to contact me, okay? Because I want to make sure that you get those items correctly put into your kit. So anyway, this is going on until the end of October. So you have a variety of things that you can put into your cart. Now remember, I told you about the starter kit special. So if you wanted to stretch your dollars even more, those kits being up to 30% off and you getting additional product credit into your cart, why wouldn't you? Seriously. I feel like my job is not only to share with you guys the inspiration and how to use our products, but also how you can go ahead and save as much money as you can on these beautiful products. So if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. Like I said, I'll put information up above or below, depending on where you're viewing this video at, and I would love to help you out. There is no pressure, no stress. I'm just here to go ahead and help you save on the products that you love. All right, guys, have a great day. Happy October and happy early Halloween. Bye-bye.